there. Time now for our first ever, this is fun, We Love Glendale text giveaway.
Ooh.
How about that? Big brand new apartment homes there. Our friends at ISIS have put this together for us. You can check out their great new digs at ISIS, I-C-I-S, isisliving.com. Down the street, the legendary Alex Theater. Next week, participating in this great Live Talks LA series. I've hosted a few of these. An evening, how about with Phil Jackson? Phil Jackson in conversation with John Sally.
Wow.
Wouldn't that be interesting?
Yeah.
Jackson's new book, 11 Rings, The Soul of Success. You get the book, a VIP meet and greet with Phil Jackson, 2 tickets to the conversation at the Alex Theater. Text the word Jackson to 515151. 11th texter gets those tickets to see Phil Jackson and John Sally at the Alex Theater.
Can I tell you something? And he may be watching right now. John Sally watches this show. I know that for a fact. Saw him at a track meet. Our daughters were competing against each other, and he told me something. He repeated back to me something that he saw on the show.
Not to take credit for all things, on Henry DiCarlo's favorite show, Hollywood Uncensored.
Absolutely.
Our panelist, John Sally, was such a great guest. Folks at Reels gave him his own show.
Really?
So once again, I'm like the little rocket.
true.
I'm the booster.
I know, everybody elevates.
Everybody elevates. Everyone elevates.
Here's the
and then
thing.
I plummet.
He's a genuinely great, down-to-earth
Interesting
guy.
guy. Very talented.
I mean, just, amazing
No,
guy.
if he's not on TV the second, he should be. He's always
Right.
he's very good.